let's start. The problem statement which we are working on is computerized cognitive retraining program for home training of children with disability and EEG neuro feedback. So let's see how our application is going to work. Firstly, this is the login page where the user have to do login. So we'll just submit the information of it. After that, we have provided 5 case studies in which multiple symptoms are provided. Along with the case study, we have provided a menstruation training module for autistic girl. By using this training module, the girl can manage her hygiene during her menstruation period. Along with that, if the child don't want any of these therapies, we have just provided the daily routine training module. From brushing the teeth till going to bed, we have provided all the therapy activities and training in this daily routine training module. If the child symptom is not matching with any of these case studies, we have provided a text box for the user where the user can feel the symptom of the child, and we will analyze it by using the machine learning and try to match it with our case studies. As our application is 60% built, we are working on EEG neurofeedback module. In this section, we are going to add a EEG neurofeedback therapy module. Importantly, all the case studies and symptoms are evaluated and collaborated by the autistic expert and neurological doctor. So let's see the demo of our application. If the child is facing communication difficulties, so just click on it, select, and the therapy will be provided. This is episode 1, episode 2. Along with the child, the parent will also be trained how to handle the child behavior. And especially, this therapy is provided in all the languages, especially in our all Indian native local languages. So if the child wants music therapy, so we have provided here a music therapy. So let's see the demo. So this is the puppet show, and at the background we have provided the calm music, that along with the entertainment, the mind of the child will also be calm by using this music therapy. After that, improvement activities in which mind building games are provided to the child. By using it, he can build his mindset. And this is the feedback page for the parent, where the parent can give feedback, and if the parent want to ask some question, he can text here, and by using the question we can illustrate the question.